I have left out front, and it's kind of amazing. But let's see, we've got one little broccoli that's slow to come along. We've got some carnival squash that it's pretty slow as well because it's been blocked from the sun from these guys that grew too big. But that was from that, I don't know if you guys remember that green and white striped kind of acorny squash looking thing I bought last year. So I saved seeds. This is one of my cheddar, which I'm not sure it's going to get much bigger because it looks like the plant itself is dying off. So actually I think I just need water. Everything's looking a little rough right now. But we've got a second one there. We've got a third one that's ready to pick. Look how big this is. It's as big as my hand. We've got a fourth one here, and then a fifth one here. And then we've got some sprouting broccoli still. I think this guy is spent. I'm going to yank it out. And then back here, we have our graffiti, which is the purple, which was really slow to come along. I don't know why. I don't know if anything is in here. Oh, I think that's another purple. Maybe the purple are just slower to mature. It's interesting. But I'm going to munch this. But I thought you'd like to see these before they're picked. They look pretty cool, huh? Definitely will grow these next year. And then, oh, look, it's sprouting. Yay. I started to plant my pumpkins because this is going to be my pumpkin patch for Halloween. So I've got one started. And I'm going to put some bigger pumpkins once these should all be out of here within the next, probably within the next week. I'll have all these cauliflower out. So I'll have more room to plant my pumpkins.